Morning. So Inspace creation Berhad is actually undertake all the design and build services for commercial space. So we are specialized in office setup, corporate office setup.
What would be the difference between you as well as your other peers in the industry?
I think the difference is we have very strong client portfolio. Okay, we actually do all the concept, design, and build by our in-house staff. And we also supported all the construction work by our ecosystem. So most of our subsidiary company, associate company are running for our construction project.
Thank you very much. Will there be any questions from the floor?
Hi, I'm Naveen from Manama. Can I know what will be your immediate priorities after listing?
Immediate priority after listing. Yeah, we were still focused in our corporate setup. So by hunting larger portfolio project to sustain our business. Yeah. At the same time, we also diversify to others commercial space, like working with the developer, doing their show unit, sales gallery, as well as doing their project fit-out works. And furthermore, we also having tender to commercial hospitality project.
And also we are one of our priority is also setting up a mock-up and storage space, mock-up for furnitures and some office setup for our client to touch and feel, physical touch and feel. Yeah.
Another question is, can you talk about the challenges you guys face in the industry? What are the main challenges?
Yeah, of course, it's our challenges is to understand and how our client wants their office to design it, and also the timeline, the short schedule, because most of our project, our contract duration is on site about 8 to 12 weeks. So within that, we need to deliver on time, number one. Number two is, of course, meet client budget and time budget, and also on design, client requirement.
Another question, how do you see the company's outlook for the next, maybe say 1 or 2 years?
Of course, we are venturing into biggest project like JLC, government, and also we are diversified into shows galleries, like what Mr. Wong mentioned, show galleries, and some of the construction, smaller scale construction.
Thank you. Are there any other questions from the floor?
Hi. This is Morgan from Oriental. I have one question. Following recently the building material increased a lot. So how does it impact your profit margin? And would you able to pass the increased cost to your client, or would you self absorb the cost? Good.
Okay, when we talk about the increasing of the material on the recent incident, I think our company is quite flexible on that because we are doing the design and build contract. So actually we are able to help our client, to value engineering all their material from time to time to save for over their budget. And especially our project is in mid short term. So meaning to say, we are still able to, adjust the pricing based on the project. Yeah, we taking up.
And secondly, about your client profile, when looking at the past prospector 170, the client has contribute significantly about 40% of the total revenue to your FY 2025 financial year. So, have you recognized all the contract value from this client?
I'm Anna, CFO. So regarding your question, the recognition from this client we already fully recognized in the financial year 2025. The total contract value already recognized in the account.
Oh, so have you another client can contribute maybe a similar size of the contract value? So after that, complete with this client, they will you able to sustain the revenue growth?
Actually, our company is very recently is actively in the participating in the pitching and the tendering.
Yeah, so definitely. So we actually grow from small. So we've occupied all the process. We're having the successful project, which you mean the biggest project in our 2025. So with that portfolio, we actually qualified to do bigger project tender. Yeah. So we will sustain through the bigger project portfolio lah.
Yeah.
I think so.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, so just to add on to what Mr. Wong has said, is basically I think you have to look at the company's track record and the company's capabilities in the past, and definitely the company is in pursuit for more contracts in their existingly and moving forward. Whether the contracts will eventually be as big as the one in the past is very much depending on their success. But nevertheless, I think what Mr. Wong is trying to express is that the company's capabilities and the track record speaks for itself, and the ability to complete and deliver its project on time and in a manner which is satisfactory to the client. I think it makes them more palatable in pursuit for their contracts in the future.
Thank you, Mr. Lu.
Good morning, Thomas from Malaysia News Channel. Firstly, congratulations to Inspace for this launch. My first question is, you can set up storage by utilizing bulk purchases. What is the percentage contribution to your net profit by doing so?
It is about the range of 10 to 15%.
Do you plan to set up a fabrication plant or factory in your own materials?
No, at this moment.
This is regarding about ISO 9000. Part of it is a requirement for KPIs. What is the on-time delivery, as well as the customer satisfaction, and any defect claims? On-time delivery,
On the delivery percentage,
customer satisfaction, and any defect claims.
our delivery is so far up to date. It's 100% on time, and the claims it's the range of 90 to 100% or so. Yeah, and again, another one.
Another is the customer satisfaction.
Customer satisfaction, it's I think most of our clients are satisfied with our services.
Okay.
Okay, all this certification actually is record from the survey form we collected from client after our project finished.
What is the percentage of successful tenders that you have gone through in 2025?
I think we are not talking about just one year. I think historically.
Yeah, historically, our successful rate for the tender is about 30 to 40%.
And also the percentage of green materials are used by Inspace.
It's, I would say, 50%.
Thank you very much.
All right. Are there any further questions on the floor?
I just want to ask, are you feeling the impact of the current market uncertainty due to the ongoing global geopolitical tensions in UAE?
Actually, we not really feel the tension because, as I say, we are doing commercial office space. So, in a cycle, let's say any impact to the economy, definitely they have some. I mean, company were doing well. I give an example. Actually, Inspace passed through this, pandemic since we start. During the MCO, we have a lot of, pitching via TeamViewer, via Concor, and we even are able to secure the project over the pandemic. This is because some of the office, they are facing issue, they need to, shrink down their office. So they definitely need the ID service and the contractor fit-out works. Okay. And we believe, let's say we look at the pandemic time, logistic company are doing well. So 2 or 3 company are expanding, very fast. So they even need our service. So I can say, with this, during the pandemic time, IBM even didn't cut any salary to our staff because we all working very hard to secure the project. So meaning to say we are able to, facing the pandemic, the economic crisis, as long as the commercial still ongoing, the business for all, MNC or even local company. So we are not actually in construction line. So basically, like just now Edward mentioned, our material basically diversified to, we don't have any, very major dependent on the material cost. So as you see, the interior fit out, they are most, small portion on each trade. So any trade, in case the material cost raise out drastically, we as a own studio, own technical team, own design team, we are actually able to value engineer the material to our client. So we are much more flexible than those tender project. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Brandon from EH. I want to ask, regarding in terms of purchasing new hardware, will you face possible delivery delay due to the Middle East conflict?
Up to date, no, there's no affection, and of course, that's why one of our priority after the IPO is set up this storage space and mockup space. So we'll stock up and bulk purchase those widely used material and to kill the lead time.
I believe you have a question for us.
Hello, I'm Adiba from Britarian. Just one short question. Okay, for your business strategy and future plans, which outside of the cloud really that you want to participate in tenders for interior fitting out projects?
The north and south, basically. Yeah.
Yeah, basically, we target on the Penang and also Johor Bahru, which is the second city. Yeah.
What's your current tender book?
I think we cannot disclose at this moment.
Maybe you can share your order book, perhaps? Tender book, you're able to share.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our order book, as just now I mentioned, is 30.28 million. Yes.
So there's still some earnings visibility moving forward, yeah?
Yeah, but having said the order book, we cannot disclose the tender book, but the tender book is quite significant.